Audio Jungle.
How do you enforce that? Like talk about that training a little bit. How do you empower your people that way so that they feel comfortable in that? Because I agree, like that's an amazingly powerful tool when you can give your staff clear parameters to say, here's the goal. It's real simple. Make them feel
Mhm.
better than when they came in. How do you do that, like in practice?
You modeled behavior, right? So the
Mm.
customers, my customers are my staff. My staff's customers are the customers. My customers are my
Yeah.
staff. And so I treat them the way I want them to be treating our customers, which is creating psychological safety, which means not creating shame, not creating, like, not judging, not having things be really punitive. That doesn't mean that
Mhm.
we aren't accountable, and it doesn't mean that we can't have hard conversations and speak with candor. But I try and always be kind, understanding, assume good intent. Um, and so if I can create a psychologically safe space for my staff to feel empowered to make those decisions on the spot, to feel empowered to solve a problem for our client, and no matter what, like, I will support them. And if it
Mhm.
was the wrong decision, then fine, we'll talk about it later and we'll learn from it. No big deal. But it's not, if you were trying your best and practicing with good intent and practicing with the goal to do right by our customer, then I'm always going to support you.
Yeah, well, and I think that's too how, you can keep good people around longer, right?
Right.
Because they feel that. Like
Right.
that again, it's back to how they feel. They know that you've got their back, they're empowered, they feel like they can like grow and learn and do in this position, whether it's, whether they're going to be there for 20 years or not.
Right.
At least they feel that growth and it makes them feel good showing up to work every day and doing the job that they're supposed to be doing. So I think it's super powerful.
Yeah, I tried to. We don't pay the most. We're a small business. I don't have health insurance or anything. It's not the most glamorous job, but I try and make it a really good place that people enjoy coming to work. It should never be stressful. It's not stressful unless there's a flood.
Yeah.
That's stressful just for a moment. But um, other than that, I want it to be a nice place to work because that comes across to our customers.